Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can use effects while you are recording in CapCut. So I think this is a new feature. Just choose camera and then you are going to select effects, and here just choose the effect you want. I'm just going to choose this one, and it's like this album sort of clip. So just select record, and then once you're done, select the checkmark button. You can either edit it or just export it to your camera roll. You can even go back, and yeah, that's how you can basically use effects while you are recording on CapCut. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!